Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So welcome back. If you were here yesterday, you saw that I did a full review on the Dark Magic palette from the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. I'm going to link that up here. Today we're going to be diving into the Armed and Gorgeous palette. So I did use this today to create this look right here. I'm actually really happy with it. If you want to hear my thoughts on this palette, a walkthrough on this eye look right here and swatches, make sure to keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because I do upload twice a week, and that is the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. Also, as a special treat this week, I uploaded yesterday, this is going up today, and the next 2 days, so tomorrow and Sunday, I will be uploading reviews on the last two of the Vault palettes. So I'm also going to link up here the playlist that all of the videos will be in once it's all up. So if you're watching this after August 25th, all the videos are already up and you can just tune right in. So I'm gonna stop talking about anything but this palette and let's get right into the video. So in case you missed the first video, for logistics, all four of these palettes retail for $15 a piece. You can get $11 off and get it for $49 if you buy it in the Vault bundle set. It is a really cute unit carton with this pretty little ribbon so you can pull out each of the four palettes. Each of the palettes have 10 shades and they each have their own theme. This one for me screamed fall. I used yesterday, which was a little bit more of like the greens and blues and cool tones, but this is like, you get fall tones, you get like leaves turning and golds and oranges, and this olive green down here, which I actually did not use at all today. I kind of stuck in this general area right here. I used VIP, I used Access, I used Coin, I used Secure, and I used Prowl. So I used 5 of the shades today, and this is the look that we came up with. It's a pseudo cut crease. Actually, it's a full cut crease, but we did a cut crease. I did throw a little bit of glitter in the crease just to make it pop a little bit more because I did want to add a little bit more pizzazz. It is the Armed and Gorgeous palette, so I did want to make this one a little bit more full glam. So I will be doing some more wearable looks with these palettes as well and posting them either as pictorials on Instagram or somewhere else, but I will get back to you. So for the eye look today, I started off by taking a little bit of the shade Agent and I just dusted that all over the crease area just to give me a little bit of a transition. And then I took Prowl, and with this shade I packed it in the eye shape that I was going for today. When I'm going in for a cut crease, I do like to focus a little more color towards the inner corner so that some of it peeks through when you do cut the lid. But I did pack that, and then I blended it out with Secure. Over that, when I was done buffing in that orange shade, I blended it a little bit more with Access. And that gave me just this very soft and blurred line on the upper lid. After that, I cut the crease and I packed Coin all over the lid. And I did only take that to about halfway through the lid. And then I took those same 3 shades and just made a gradient of taking that into the crease. I wanted to make sure that nothing was too harsh and that the colors all blended. And those are actually the exact same shades that I took on the lower lash line. Lastly, I took VIP and I just hit up the brow bone and inner corner. And like I said, I did take a little bit of glitter on the crease today, but you totally don't need to if you just want to have a cut crease. I wanted a little bit more glam and pizzazz, so that's what I did. So I am going to insert swatches, but from the top row going across, the shades are VIP, which is this beautiful frosty highlighting shade, Access, Guilt Trip, Coin, which was definitely the star of this look today, this foiled gold, Agent, Top Secret, which I didn't use today, but I will already say that it does look and swatch better than the olive green from yesterday's palette, Smooth Criminal, Secure, Prowl, and finally Classified, which is a little bit more of like a cool tone shimmer. It definitely has some gold undertones, but all in all, it's a little bit more on the brassy side, which I think will be really pretty, especially as we get into fall. Now, when I was talking about yesterday's palette, I did say that the colors were a little bit less blendable than I typically would like or I found with Morphe shadows. I did find that this was not the case for this palette. The colors packed on nicely, they blended into each other well, there was nice pigmentation, there was nice blend. I did have some issues getting some color payoff with the other palette, but this one seemed to work a whole lot better. Like this vibrant gold on the lid, I definitely took a little glitter on the crease, but under here, That's just the color, plain and simple. Like, clean finger, 1, 2, 3, you get a lot of payoff, you get really pretty foiled metallic. Like, if you are a little bit more in the deeper skin tone, you can totally wear this as a highlight. Just like if you were on the fairer side, you could take VIP on the cheeks. I'm actually gonna do that right now and see how that looks. So I'm just going to grab a little bit of VIP and see how that looks amped up on the cheekbones. That's actually really pretty and very frosty. So if you are somebody who likes to double duty and you want to match your inner corner highlight to the rest of the face, you can totally get away with popping VIP if you're a little more fair, or Coin if you're a little bit on the deeper skin tones. So I know that this is only the second palette review that I'm doing out of this collection, but I will definitely say that already I like this one a little bit more than the Dark Magic palette. Make sure to stay tuned tomorrow and then again on Sunday, where you will see the last 2 reviews for the Ring the Alarm palette and the Bling Boss palette. I will let you know in those videos how the first 2 palettes kind of rank up with everything else, but I will definitely say that between this look, blendability, and everything else, this is currently the palette to beat. So if you were only interested in 1 or 2 palettes from the collection, I would say as of right now, don't sleep on the Armed and Gorgeous palette. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow where we talk about the Ring the Alarm palette. Bye!